Hey guys, welcome back to another video with Tony's phone collection. Today we're going to be unboxing this phone lot I picked up on eBay for $10 and $11.10 to ship it. It comes with 5 phones. There's a Nokia, 2 HTC Shadows, I think they are, a Samsung with T-Mobile, and then another Samsung with T-Mobile, I'm pretty sure, and a whole bunch of chargers and batteries. So wasn't too bad for the price either. I'm going to have to open it upside down because my address is on the other side, and they covered the shipping label with tape, and my Sharpie won't cover it, so we're just going to open it upside down. And a lot of you keep asking in the comments why my hands are all cut up and stuff, and I'm a mechanic on this side, so working on my cars and stuff, they just get cut up. Cars are really a pain to work on sometimes, so got a bag, another bag, it's a Walmart bag too. Let's take a look. Alrighty, so let's go and take a look. Here we got a mini USB to USB cable. Let's go and unplug this. Here is a Samsung. It's got a little belt clip too. It is a E105. And I'm going to assume it's probably dead. Yep. Oh no. Alrighty. Well, this one will be in the startup video of the T-Mobile phones coming up. Here is a HTC Shadow belt loop. Here's one of the HTC Shadows. Doesn't have a battery, I can tell because how light it is, but I have to grab a couple batteries. It's a slider phone. Here's the second one. It's in the a T-Mobile belt holder, and it feels like it doesn't have a battery as well. Oh, it does. So one's got a battery. It's probably dead. Oh, it's turning on. So there's pretty cool. I mean, there's 2 for 1 right there. Let's set that right there. Here is a Nokia Neuron, I think it is. It's got a micro SD card popping out. 2 GB micro SD card included. I have a whole bunch of SD cards. It's probably going to be dead, but it seems like a pretty good roll on them being charged, so maybe. Yeah, it's dead. It may not even have a battery. No, it's got a battery, it's just dead. I already have one of these, so we'll have 2 now. Let's see, we got a T-Mobile, I think it's the MyTouch charger. An HTC wall charger. There's this turned on. SIM failure, so we're going to turn it off. I don't think there's a SIM card in it either. So let's take a look at some more stuff. Here's another phone. This one has a charger plugged into it. We already have one of these if I remember right. It is the Samsung, I couldn't remember the model number. The T309. I think I have the same one, same color and everything too. It looks like it's dead. So I think that's all the phones in here. So now we're just going to get on a whole bunch of accessories. Here is a HTC dongle for the Shadows. There's one of them. Stupid TV started going on. So it looks like here is a Samsung wall charger. If you guys collect old phones, you always know that you can never have enough chargers, especially for a huge lot like I have, and they're a pain. This looks like another Samsung wall charger. It looks like this is a Nokia wall charger for the small one, which actually I don't even have one of these. I've been using my, I don't know if I even have it with me. Let's see. Yeah, I don't think I have it on me. I use that like 10-in-1 charger, and it's got the Nokia end on it, and it sucks. But here it is. And it straight sucks. I don't know. It just doesn't plug in properly to the Nokia phones. So that's what I've been using. So that's nice to have an OEM Nokia charger. Here is probably an HTC Shadow charger, maybe. It doesn't really have a name on it. It's something in Chinese. But I'm going to assume that goes to the HTC. Yeah, right there it is. It says right there. HTC Shadow. Here is a Nokia battery, which I got a couple Nokia phones. I might be able to put that in. I'm pretty sure this looks like an S5 battery. Either way, it's really, really inflated. Like it's definitely not good at all. It's just trash. As you can tell, the curve of it. And it's really fat. So that's fine. We'll just throw that away. It's not really like a big deal. We'll go recycle it. Looks like here's another holster for a... Well, there's a number on the back of it. Samsung T3. Oh, so this is for the this one. Boom. We got a USB cable. This is for the HTC Shadow, I'm guessing. Oh, looky there. It's the actual HTC charger. Sweet. I've been needing one of these too. I mean, I did read one of the comments where the Razer charger works on it. And I actually tried it, and it does work. I charged up the HTC Hero with it. So that's pretty cool. But now we got two OEM HTC chargers to USBs. We have a mini USB to USB again. Here's the other HTC Shadow charger. Got a little adapter for those universal chargers for the Samsungs, it looks like. Nokia USB charger. 2 pairs of HTC proprietary headphones for the Shadows. Another dongle for the HTC. And then a USB, mini USB to USB. So that looks like that's going to be the lot right there for this one. It's worth it just for the charger for me, so the phones are just an extra. I'll throw everything down here, kind of. Let's get everything in the picture. I might have to go into wide angle. Like I said, my desk is a mess, so be prepared, guys, because I'm doing the startup videos. So it's going to be a mess. Get all these up here. Let me go wide angle. Boom. There you go. There's everything we got from this lot. Pretty good amount of stuff. So that's pretty cool. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video and stay tuned for the next one.